Could XRP be on the brink of a breakout? Recent price action reveals rejections, critical trend lines, and a fair value gap that might define its next big move. As the market tests support and resistance, one question remains: will XRP consolidate further or gear up for a surge? Understanding these key levels is essential for anyone navigating this volatile space. Stay tuned, because what happens next could set the stage for XRP's next all-time high. The market just witnessed a massive wipeout in the last 24 hours, and while many are panicking, the truth may surprise you. What if this seemingly negative event is actually a bullish signal hiding in plain sight? Let's explore why this could be a game changer for you. In the past day, we've seen dramatic market movements that have left many traders concerned. But here's the twist: there's no need to worry. Yes, the headlines scream panic, and the price action might suggest otherwise, but this event is more than meets the eye. What if I told you this wipeout is actually one of the most bullish developments in the market recently? It's wrapped in concern, fear, and uncertainty, but beneath that lies an opportunity waiting to be seized. Stick around, because we're going to break down what's really happening, why it's bullish, and how it could shape the next phase of the market. Before we dive in, are you prepared to turn market volatility into your advantage? Let's get into the details that could redefine your strategy. Welcome to MMO Crypto, your go-to channel for uncovering the hidden insights in crypto trends. If this is your first time here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any updates. Let's dive in and unlock the true potential behind this market move. Massive liquidations, billions wiped out. What just happened? And more importantly, what does it mean for your crypto investments? Let's get straight to it. Welcome to MMO Crypto, the hub for cutting-edge insights into the crypto space. If you're new here, you're in the right place to stay informed about the ever-changing market trends. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss a single update. Let's get into it. Today, we're diving into a critical topic: what actually happened during the recent $1.7 billion liquidation event. Yes, you heard that right. Billions of dollars vanished in a flash, leaving the market in chaos. This was one of the largest liquidation events we've seen in recent times. The scale? Staggering. But what triggered it? Was it a normal market correction or something more systemic? And what does it mean for coins like XRP and Bitcoin? Stay tuned, because I'll break it all down for you. A $1.7 billion question. Is this the beginning of a market reset or a hidden opportunity for savvy investors? Let's uncover the truth. From 100K highs to sudden wipeouts, what does Bitcoin's volatility mean for XRP and the altcoin market? Let's analyze. In the past 24 hours, we've witnessed some intense market action. Bitcoin's price wicked down to the low $90 region after previously climbing past 100K, showing just how fast things can shift in this space. If we roll back to the 4th, Bitcoin was trading around 95Ks before surging above 100K, only to retreat again. This volatility isn't limited to Bitcoin. XRP also wicked down to a key area, an important level we'll dive into shortly. With Bitcoin dominance moving upward, the ripple effects on altcoins have been substantial. As predicted, a wipeout like this has significantly impacted altcoins, with XRP being one of the notable examples. What does this tell us? This volatility isn't just noise, it's part of a larger pattern shaping the market. Let's keep unraveling the story. Is Bitcoin's dominance rise a warning signal for altcoins or just a temporary trend? The answer lies in the data. Double-digit losses, market-wide shakeups. What's fueling this volatility, and what does it mean for the weeks ahead? The past 24 hours have been brutal for the crypto market. If we take a glance at the top 24-hour losers, it's clear that XRP didn't escape the chaos. But surprisingly, it wasn't hit as hard as some others, despite double-digit losses being widespread across the board. This massive sell-off wasn't entirely unexpected. Over the past few weeks, the market has been running red hot, with rapid gains creating an environment ripe for a pullback. These cooling-off periods are a natural part of the cycle, but they still leave many traders reeling. This volatility isn't just noise, it's a reflection of deeper market dynamics at play. Let's dive deeper into the trends shaping these wild swings. Is this just a cool down or the start of something bigger? Let's uncover the patterns driving this shakeup. How did Bitcoin's dramatic November shift from neutral to extreme greed impact the crypto market? The crypto market in November was a roller coaster ride, particularly when we look at the fear and greed index. Just 30 days ago, Bitcoin was trading at roughly $80,500, pushing sentiment into extreme greed by November 10th. This wasn't an isolated event. Throughout November, the market maintained a highly bullish momentum. But it's fascinating to look back a year earlier. At the beginning of November, Bitcoin was sitting at a significant low, trading at around $67,800. The sentiment then? A neutral 50 on the fear and greed index. Within just a few days, everything changed. By November 11th, the index had surged to extreme greed, with Bitcoin nearly hitting $89,000. This rapid transition highlights how quickly emotions shift in crypto and how market sentiment can drive price action. What does this extreme greed phase tell us about market cycles and what's coming next? Let's dig deeper. Bitcoin smashed through $100,000 in less than 30 days. But what's the hidden story behind this meteoric rise? In under 30 days, Bitcoin achieved a historic milestone, soaring past $100,000. This rapid ascent highlights not just the strength of the market, but also its sheer volatility. Let's put this into perspective. Moving this fast in such a short time frame is both remarkable and risky. As we've seen before, this kind of explosive growth often sets the stage for a correction, a pullback, or even a liquidation event. And here's the key takeaway. Such events aren't signs of weakness. They're essential for a healthy market. The crypto space thrives on volatility, and these moments of consolidation often pave the way for the next big move upward. What can we learn from this volatility, and how does it set the stage for Bitcoin's next chapter? Let's uncover the answers. The Bitcoin trend is holding strong, but what lies ahead? Resilience or reversal? Bitcoin's current chart shows promising signs. The trend remains intact, a vital indicator of market stability. However, this stability hinges on a critical question. Will the current lows hold? As the market continues to test its limits, clearing the $99,000 mark remains a key milestone. Achieving this would not only reaffirm Bitcoin's bullish momentum, but also set the stage for further upward movement. While this video is recorded ahead of final confirmation, the bigger picture suggests a resilient market navigating through its highs and lows. Bitcoin has proven time and again its ability to withstand challenges and emerge stronger. Will Bitcoin clear its next hurdle and solidify its trend? Let's uncover the possibilities. Bitcoin faces a crucial resistance level. Can it push through and lead the market higher? The $101.2 level represents a significant resistance point for Bitcoin. To unlock further upward momentum, a strong daily close above this threshold is essential. Breaking this resistance would clear out the highs and pave the way for Bitcoin to push into uncharted territory. While Bitcoin's performance dominates the headlines, the altcoin market remains a critical focus. XRP in particular has reached its fair value gap, a pivotal point that could signal new opportunities for traders and investors. As Bitcoin navigates this resistance and altcoins find their footing, the market's next moves promise to shape the landscape of digital assets in the weeks to come. Will Bitcoin break resistance and redefine the market's path? And what's next for XRP's fair value gap? XRP's price action reveals a key level that could determine its next big move. Are you ready to understand the strategy? Looking at XRP's chart, one area stands out: the fair value gap between 95 cents and 128 cents. This gap, which formed after XRP surged to 290, has yet to be fully retested. For months, this level has been a point of interest, representing a balance zone where the market might revisit before making its next major move. Despite the market's volatility, XRP's return to this fair value gap could offer an opportunity for consolidation and potential bullish momentum. This retest isn't just a technical marker, it's a reflection of how markets often correct and realign before reaching new heights. XRP's movement here could be pivotal for its trajectory. Could this fair value gap be XRP's launching pad for its next run? Let's explore what it means for the market. XRP's recent pullback, just a blip or the setup for a major rally? Let's break it down. Just 4 days ago, XRP was trading around $2.40, catching the attention of traders and analysts alike. Even with recent corrections, the bigger picture tells a different story. Looking at the price chart, does this seem like a market that's reached its peak? Absolutely not. What we're seeing here is a minor pullback, a healthy correction that often precedes significant moves in the crypto space. The challenge lies in the indicators. They're running red hot, signaling that caution is warranted. But don't mistake this heat for a signal of a downturn. Historically, such setups have been the precursor to explosive growth when the right market conditions align. Could this be the reset XRP needs before its next breakout? Let's dig deeper. With XRP under scrutiny, is this the end of the rally or just the beginning of something bigger? When zooming out to higher timeframes, like the weekly chart, the story becomes clearer. The MACD momentum still leans bullish, even on the current weekly candle. Despite recent dips, the momentum indicates there's more room for upward movement. Yet, doubts linger. People ask, is this the top for XRP? Let's consider the broader picture. Bitcoin has just surpassed $100,000, while its dominance continues to trend downward. These market dynamics suggest that the altcoin space, including XRP, has not yet peaked. The question isn't whether XRP's run is over, but how much further it can go. With the current momentum in its favor, the answer might surprise you. Could XRP be gearing up for its next leg higher? Let's explore what the weekly chart reveals. Could XRP revisit its 2021 highs, or is it ready to bounce back stronger than ever? XRP's recent price action raises an important question. How low could it go before resuming its upward trend? A deeper pullback isn't off the table. In fact, revisiting the $96 level, a critical retest of the 2021 highs, is entirely possible. Zooming into lower timeframes like the 12-hour and even the 4-hour charts reveals an area of focus, a fair value gap that remains unfilled. This gap represents a significant zone for potential support and could be the level where buyers step in again. While a deeper retracement might cause concern for some, it also provides an opportunity. The market often seeks to balance liquidity, and filling this gap could set the stage for XRP's next move higher. Are these price levels a sign of weakness or a launch pad for XRP's next breakout? Are XRP's current price levels signaling the end of bearish momentum? For those tracking XRP closely, the 1.95 to 2.08 cent range holds a critical role. While some may see this as a warning sign, the reality is far more optimistic. Filling this fair value gap isn't just a retest, it's a healthy market move that reclaims significant highs. Even better, bearish momentum on lower timeframes like the 4-hour chart is visibly fading. The MACD indicates that sellers are losing strength, and this could signal that XRP has already bottomed out. For traders, this isn't a moment to panic, it's a moment to plan for what's next. Could this be the calm before XRP's next breakout? Is XRP gearing up for another retest? Or is this a deeper signal for traders? On the lower timeframes, XRP is showing intriguing movement. A recent low has caught attention, aligning with the fair value gap that continues to be a significant focal point. But what does this mean for the next steps? As highlighted earlier, this fair value gap remains a critical level to watch. If XRP targets this zone again, it could provide a strong signal for either consolidation or a further retest. Understanding these moves isn't just technical, it's strategic for anyone navigating XRP's market dynamics. Could XRP's next move solidify its bullish trajectory? Is XRP mirroring Bitcoin's recovery trend, setting the stage for a bullish breakout? Looking at XRP's recent movements, there's no reason to hit the panic button. Instead, this could be one of the healthiest corrections we've seen, much like Bitcoin's journey earlier this year. Back in March, Bitcoin filled its macro fair value gap, leading to impressive growth in the months that followed. For XRP, we're observing similar signs. A December 3rd high, followed by a December 2nd lower low, forms part of a structure that's hinting at a potential bullish setup. These corrections are not just routine, they're part of the bigger picture in the path to market recovery. Could XRP's current consolidation be laying the groundwork for explosive growth? Is XRP building the momentum it needs for a breakout? Let's analyze the setup. XRP's current structure reveals an important dynamic. It's not just about hitting the bottom and skyrocketing from there. Instead, XRP could continue to consolidate, moving within a defined range between its upper and lower trend lines. This consolidation isn't a sign of weakness, it's a natural phase of price action. However, the key lies in clearing the upper trend line. Breaking above it could signal the start of a stronger upward move. For now, the trend suggests that XRP is preparing for its next potential breakout, but patience is crucial. Could this consolidation phase be the calm before the storm for XRP? Rejections, trend lines, and a critical gap. Could this chart hold XRP's next big move? Let's talk about the significant trend lines shaping XRP's price action. Currently, we see a lower high, dated December 8th, coinciding with the much-anticipated 60 Minutes interview. What happened next? XRP attempted to break above the upper trend line, but faced rejection, forcing it back into the fair value gap. This rejection reinforces the importance of the trend lines in play. The upper trend line represents a resistance level we need to clear for a confirmed bullish breakout. Meanwhile, the lower trend line highlights support, creating a zone of consolidation where XRP could continue to fluctuate. What will it take for XRP to escape this consolidation zone? Let's dive in. The key here is to watch for higher lows on the chart. Printing these lows would indicate strengthening bullish momentum. Clearing the upper trend line would then set the stage for XRP to push higher and test previous highs, possibly signaling the start of a new upward trend. Is XRP preparing for a breakout, or will it continue to consolidate? The next moves are critical. What does Bitcoin's 2024 trend reveal about XRP's potential breakout? If you've been watching the crypto markets closely, you've probably noticed a pattern in Bitcoin's price action throughout 2024. It was a story of lower highs and lower lows until a bullish structure emerged in September. This shift marked the beginning of a strong upward trend, bringing Bitcoin to its current position. But what about XRP? Is it stuck, or is a bullish shift on the horizon? For XRP, things have been more challenging. Since reaching its high on December 3rd, XRP has been in a clear bearish structure. However, as we've learned from Bitcoin, bearish trends don't last forever. The key lies in forming a new bullish structure. What I'm watching closely is XRP's ability to break free from this pattern and follow a similar trajectory to Bitcoin's recent trend. The potential for a breakout is there. It's all about timing and structure. Stay tuned, as understanding these trends could be the key to capitalizing on XRP's next big move. XRP's journey to 3+ is the market preparing for liftoff. The recent dip in XRP's price might have raised alarms, but here's the bigger picture. Once XRP clears its previous highs and surpasses the critical $2.90 level, the path to 3+ and a new all-time high becomes wide open. So why is this a golden opportunity rather than a cause for concern? This isn't just another price drop. It's part of a broader market reset. Events like these are often tied to liquidation, natural occurrences in such a volatile space. They clear out leveraged positions and pave the way for healthier price action. For those worried about recent volatility, the key takeaway is to stay focused on the bigger trend. XRP has shown resilience, and the potential for new highs is on the horizon. Remember, navigating these shifts without over-leveraging is crucial. This isn't just a test of XRP's market strength, it's a test of patience and strategy for traders. Crypto liquidations, what $1.7 billion tells us about market psychology. What happens when $1.7 billion is wiped out in hours? The ripple effects might surprise you. In the past 24 hours, we witnessed a staggering $1.7 billion liquidated from the cryptocurrency market. This cascade began with $122 million in just 60 minutes, quickly escalating to $813 million, and ultimately surpassing the billion-dollar mark. While this may seem small compared to the $3.5 trillion crypto market, the underlying causes reveal a deeper story. Is impulsive retail behavior driving these market shocks? Retail investors often react emotionally to market volatility. Fear triggers impulsive selling, creating a domino effect that cascades through the market. Illiquid exchanges further amplify these moves, turning minor dips into major disruptions. Understanding this dynamic is essential for navigating the crypto landscape. Instead of succumbing to panic, recognizing these events as part of the market's natural rhythm can help you stay ahead. These moments are not just noise, they're opportunities to gain insight and strategy. RP's rapid rebound, was it a fluke or the start of something bigger? Yesterday morning, I spotted something surprising on the XRP chart. the price had dipped sharply, hitting the fair value gap almost instantly, catching even seasoned traders off guard. But here's what's fascinating. It rebounded almost immediately. Does this rebound signal a new trend, or should we tread cautiously? The big question now is, can XRP sustain this momentum? Right now, it looks like we're flipping a critical liquidity level, which is a positive sign. But in this volatile market, nothing is certain. Monitoring the situation closely will be key as we gauge whether this recovery has the legs to turn into a bullish move, or if more turbulence lies ahead. Stay tuned, because this is where strategic insights matter the most. Bull markets aren't all smooth sailing. Are you ready for the inevitable resets? As expected, sell-offs and liquidation events are a natural part of any bull market. While it's easy to panic, these corrections serve a vital role in keeping the market healthy. XRP has been riding high for a while, with extreme greed levels dominating the sentiment. Bitcoin even broke the $100,000 mark, fueling excitement and calls for all-time highs on XRP. Is this just a dip, or the prelude to even bigger moves ahead? While I'm confident we'll see new all-time highs for XRP, I've consistently reminded everyone to stay cautious. Market cycles are unpredictable, and these pullbacks often pave the way for stronger rallies. Corrections like this aren't just normal, they're necessary for sustained growth. Let's break down why understanding these resets is crucial for navigating the bull market. What caused the largest market liquidation since 2021? Let's dive into the hidden forces at play. Today's sell-off marks the most significant liquidation event we've seen since 2021. But what triggered such a massive move? A closer look at the market's microstructure reveals some fascinating insights. For instance, Coinbase traders began selling aggressively nearly an hour before the cascade began. Was this sell-off truly organic, or were deeper forces at work? While the largest drop was caused by a classic liquidation cascade, it was the persistent selling pressure that created the conditions for over-leveraged positions to collapse. This combination of factors shows just how delicate the balance can be in a red-hot market. Stay with us as we uncover more insights into what these patterns mean for the future of crypto. Can we predict market crashes before they happen? Let's decode the signs of an overheated market. Market overheating isn't just a random occurrence, it leaves clues behind. Two key metrics, increased open interest and rising funding fees, are clear indicators of over-leveraged positions. When these numbers climb, the risk of liquidation cascades grows exponentially. But what role did retail investors play in this meltdown? The influx of new retail participants after the elections only added fuel to the fire. Their entry into the space brought fresh capital, but also impulsive behavior. By December 3rd, the market was already signaling a reset, with gradual sell-offs paving the way for the larger liquidation event. Stick with us as we uncover how to read these warning signs and stay ahead in the volatile world of crypto. A 488% surge in 30 days sounds incredible, right? But here's why a correction was inevitable. Since November 3rd, XRP's price skyrocketed by an impressive 488% in just 1 month. While exciting, such explosive growth is rarely sustainable without healthy pullbacks. Corrections like the one we're seeing now are not only expected, but essential for maintaining market stability. Does this mean it's time to panic? Not at all. Looking at the chart, there's no reason to turn bearish. This appears to be a natural, temporary dip before XRP continues its upward momentum. That said, it's crucial to keep an eye on the recent lows. Losing these levels could signal a deeper correction, which would be worth analyzing. Stick around as we explore what these corrections mean for XRP and the broader market. Understanding these movements can be your key to thriving in crypto's volatility. Massive selling pressure on Coinbase, but what does it mean for XRP's future? One standout observation during this recent sell-off was the significant selling pressure on Coinbase, far exceeding activity on Binance. This could indicate that a major player decided to offload XRP, contributing to the rapid price drop. Events like this highlight a key challenge in the market: limited liquidity. How does limited liquidity impact market moves, and where are the opportunities? When liquidity is tight, large-scale trades can trigger dramatic price swings. This makes it even more crucial for retail investors to avoid excessive leverage unless they're highly experienced. Over-leveraging in a market like this can amplify losses during such events. But here's the silver lining: market reversals often follow liquidations. History shows that significant liquidations often lead to reversals, presenting strategic buying opportunities for those who are prepared and informed. Could this be the perfect time to take action? At MMO Crypto, we dive into these market dynamics to help you stay ahead. If you found this analysis valuable, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Don't miss out on insights that could shape your next strategic move in the crypto world. Let's navigate this journey together.